Did you know that 90% of people struggle financially because they were never taught the right money habits? What if I told you that just 7 simple lessons could change the way you think about money forever? Stick around, because today we're breaking down Robert Kiyosaki's top 7 rules for financial freedom. And trust me, this could be the most important video you watch all year. In this video, we're diving into the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and one of the most influential voices in personal finance. These 7 lessons aren't just about making money. They're about changing your mindset, building wealth, and achieving true financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out or you've been working for years, these principles will help you take control of your financial future. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last lesson might completely change the way you think about money. Let's be honest, most of us were never taught how to handle money. We were told to go to school, get a job, and save for retirement. But here's the problem. That old formula doesn't work anymore. Inflation is rising. The cost of living is skyrocketing, and most people are stuck in a cycle of working harder just to stay afloat. Sound familiar? The good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. Robert Kiyosaki's lessons are all about breaking free from that cycle and building a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. Lesson 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. Let's start with the basics: assets and liabilities. Most people think their house or car is an asset, but Kiyosaki says that's not always true. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket, like a rental property or a business. A liability, on the other hand, takes money out of your pocket, like a mortgage or car payment. The key to financial freedom: focus on buying assets, not liabilities. Start small. Invest in stocks, start a side hustle, or even buy a book that teaches you a new skill. The more assets you have, the more money you'll make without lifting a finger. Lesson 2. The importance of financial education. Here's a hard truth. Schools don't teach you about money. That's why so many people struggle financially. They simply don't know how money works. Kiyosaki says financial education is the most important investment you can make. Read books, take courses, and surround yourself with people who know more than you. One book I highly recommend is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's a game changer. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make, and the faster you'll grow your wealth. Lesson 3. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Most people trade their time for money by working a 9-to-5 job. But Kiyosaki says that's the slowest way to build wealth. Instead, focus on creating systems that generate income for you. This could be a business, investments, or even passive income streams like royalties or dividends. The goal is to get to a point where your money is working harder than you are. Think about it. Would you rather work 40 hours a week for the rest of your life, or build something that pays you while you sleep? Lesson 4. Understand the power of taxes. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses in your life, but most people don't understand how they work. Kiyosaki says the rich get richer because they know how to legally reduce their taxes. For example, they invest in businesses and real estate, which come with tax benefits. The more you learn about taxes, the more money you can keep in your pocket. A great resource for this is Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. It's a must-read if you want to save thousands on taxes. Lesson 5. Take risks and learn from failure. Here's the truth. You're going to make mistakes, but Kiyosaki says that's okay. Failure is just part of the process. The key is to take calculated risks and learn from your mistakes. Start small, test your ideas, and don't be afraid to fail. Every successful person has failed at some point. What matters is that they kept going. So, if you're thinking about starting a business or investing in the stock market, don't let fear hold you back. Take the leap, learn as you go, and keep moving forward. Lesson 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Your network is your net worth. Kiyosaki says the people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your success. If you're around people who complain about money and never take action, you'll likely do the same. But if you surround yourself with ambitious, financially savvy people, you'll start thinking and acting like them. Join communities, attend events, and connect with mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Lesson 7. Think long-term and build multiple streams of income. Finally, Kiyosaki says the key to financial freedom is thinking long-term and building multiple streams of income. Don't rely on just one source of income. Diversify. This could mean having a job, a side hustle, and investments all at the same time. The more streams of income you have, the more secure you'll be. And always think long-term. Don't get caught up in quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth takes time, but with patience and persistence, you'll get there. Here's the big takeaway. Financial freedom isn't about how much money you make. It's about how much you keep and how well you put it to work. These 7 lessons from Robert Kiyosaki are your roadmap to a better financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every dollar you save or invest today is a step closer to the life you want. And if you take just one thing from this video, let it be this: don't work for money, make money work for you. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 lessons resonated with you the most? Are you going to start investing, build a side hustle, or finally take control of your taxes? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.